work on, but this is something that you can do too. So punch me. Block, check, counter. Okay? So he punches, I block, I check, I counter. Right? Or better yet, do it again. Like 1, 2, boom. Okay? So if I do on the inside of 1, 2, boom. Right? Block, check, counter. So that's cool, but stuff can go wrong. Alright? Because also if I do it the right way, let's say he swings and then he puts his hand back in, like he brings it, snaps it back in. Watch. So go ahead, 1, 2, counter. Alright? Because what I'm doing from here is when he swings and I block and he puts his hand back in, I'm pinning that hand and hitting him. Right? Since he's going to bring it back in, I know where it's going to be. Right? So we'll do it again. 1, 2, boom. Pin block. It's easy. Do it again. Just strike him. Right. So if I stay here, it'll hit me. Okay? Again. But if I go over, exactly. So just cutting, literally. Yep, Ji-Kung. It is. It's literally Ji-Kung. Intercepting fist. Right there. So.
Is your restarting in mind?
You got that right. All right.
Yeah, you do. Yeah.
Because I think every moment. I think I had one recently.
You do. So what I'm doing is when this is over, I'm moving too. Yeah. So watch. So if you look at me here, I'm gonna try to just do it without my hands. Go ahead. There we go. Do again. There you go. That's terrifying. Yeah. So, because even if I miss this, let's say I miss my punch, I'm super off, I've been smoking.
All right, that's it. Dishonor. Dishonor on your whole family. Make a note of this. Dishonor on you. Dishonor on your cow.
I'm done, right? So if I go 1, right? And now from here, like I missed that because of how far away I am. Mm-hmm. So let's imagine I did come over and hit him. This arm is still down here. Then follow up and drive through him. So at no point, here, come back on camera. At no point do I want to, so swing me, go here and then try to give an attack from here. I have no energy. There's no power. So again, boom. I stepped in, drove and hit him, and then from here, we're going to do it.
Aiming towards keeper.
Right? Get back over.
Not on camera, man.
Yeah. Right? So here, try it real quick. So, here, you do it again. Here's turn. Yeah. Because he'll punch you in the face. Okay, alright, so swing. Boom. Ooh, sorry about that. Right, so good again. Ooh, good. Again. Good. Now, with you going wide like this, what I would probably do again, boom. Because you going wide gives me time to block it. Okay? Yeah. Boom. So if I'm here, do it again. All timing. Boom. So block, defend. Now if you come in with a straight punch, I do a jab. Now I'm right over. Wide punch gives me time. Right? So here, go wide. Boom. Actually, you should do it the right way. Here, go ahead and do it. So, boom. Step in. Okay?
Work on that today.
Because look, because now look where we're at here. So I can still do the same thing. Yep. And also this hand comes up, so go ahead and hit me. Yep. Mm-hmm. Now we're into a whole different ball game of stuff that we can do. Right? Because like I know you could try to grab me here, which is why I'm popping that arm up behind me. Right? Now we have what we call a heaven and earth sweep. Where I'm gonna take so here this way. So if I have you here, this hand is going to go up and over as I do that. So if I punch you, all I want you to do is turn a little bit. So watch me. So all you're doing is just turning a little bit. Yeah. Turn and then cut over and hit me.
Oh, cut there.
Yeah. But look at me though. And let this come straight through.
Okay.
So don't arch that your shoulder too much. But this just drives straight through. So almost think of my arm as driving as like a ramp to drive your fist and to hit me.
Okay.
Make sense? Better, but relaxed. All right, do it again. Just look on your
See? See not my best performance today, but
so
I should have to work on it.
Drive it through.
Okay. So
I would move because let's say I am aiming for your face.
Right.
So if this does come through, all right, you want to so watch. So there you go. See, Good. Good. Better.
Switch today, yeah.
Good. And that fact that hand is up. Let's say that my punch is here, and it like, yeah, see, it hits here. Now I'm just scraping your head, as opposed to. When you do this though, you're turning off the initial rip, but then try to step into it. That makes sense, right? So here, yeah, there you go. See the difference? Yep. Boom. Begin. Better. Remember, just drive it through. There you go. Good. Good. Now, that's good that you felt, because you felt the contact and the need to move here.
Yeah.
That's smart. Just remember, you can be a little faster if you're slipping this, moving it, hitting me here, right? Because now I'm here. What can this hand do? Grab. Exactly. Right. So you come a little closer. So there you go. All right. Good. 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 Now, here, come closer. Now, when you do after that, grab and pull me in. There you go. Good. 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 Very cool. Awesome. Very good. Good job. All right, of course. Last thing we'll do. All right, this is what. That's good. So if you can do that, you can do this. So when I punch at you, all I want you to do, it's called slap block, box out. Sorry. So if you see like in our Wing Chun, we do this a lot. So we relax and do that. It's just a slapping motion. Same thing for that check. Block, check, counter. So instead, do it again. Punch me. Boom. Punch. Boom. Punch. Boom. So I'm just doing a slap out of the way and driving that over. I'm trying not to cross my arms like this. So it's, here's what we do again. One, so cock, step through, hit.
拍法相攻，短桥反击，变线连打。
There you go. Yep. So as this happens, when this is here, this comes out, slap. So see how like, yeah, so see how like it's almost here, and now, yeah, now you just drive it. Yeah, straight up. Slow down, you got it? Might even sometimes be easier to pop their bicep or tricep, because your elbow is a little bit harder sometimes for me to get that versus that. You know? There you go. And then drive right through. Boom. Good. Good.
It's a simple action is sneezing.
Good.
You know, irritating the back of your
Good.
to the point where you gotta throw up.
Good. Now, real quick. When you're looking at me, where are you looking? No. My eyes can't hit you. Okay. Elbows, knees. If you look here, so watch me. You look at my elbows, look at my knees. Can you see? See, you saw that, right? Exactly. Alright? Because you can see when I'm doing something. My face won't tell you squat.
Alright, Ray, you
Right? So if you look there, now do it. Whoa, there we go! You see it now?
Alright, lights off, guys.
Yep. Alright, last one. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Great job, I'm proud of you.